So hello again, but this is a 2001 Chevrolet 1500 Silverado. But the issue I was having, I wasn't having no heat. So I'll show you what I did. And like this, I say this is my truck and this is my way of fixing it. You do what you want to with your truck, but this is how I fix mine. From the high side, I put the high side on the low side, and I took the low side, put it on the other side, and I drove it for a day. Then I put the two back, and that seemed to unclog my heater cord, and now I got really good circulation and good heat. So like I say, that's a 01 5.3. All right, make sure you subscribe and like. I hope it helped. Thank you.